Hi, I'm Bradley with Dorsey Trailers, and today we're going to talk about one of the most commonly found trailers on the road, a flat combo 48-foot 10-2 spread. This trailer is most commonly used in equally distributed loads in our wood markets, our building material, and also coming in and out of steel mills. First key feature we want to highlight that sets Dorsey apart from other competitors is our fifth wheel. It's made with A36 material, and it's also powder coated. So we powder coat the fifth wheel before we weld it into the frame of the trailer, so all areas have weld coverage, and then we put primer and top coat on top of that. So that gives you double the life, double the coverage on your fifth wheel. The next feature we'd like to point out is our crossmember spacing. We have a 4-inch I-beam on 12-inch centers. What that does is strengthen your floor for forklifts or machinery running on top. It also strengthens the rigid of the trailer main beams as you're making turns and loading to capacity. The third feature that sets Dorsey apart from other competitors is the type material we use on our main beams. We all know the main beams are very crucial, like the fifth wheel. That's where you get your capacity from. So Dorsey uses a one-piece web, 80K material. We also use our flange is 130K, top and bottom, and we weld both sides top and bottom. It's a lot of difference from a lot of competitors that only weld one side. And welding one side allows your heat not to distribute correctly, could make the flange roll slightly. It also opens up an area for corrosion to introduce itself. So Dorsey knocks that out right from the get-go. So another great benefit that Dorsey offers on their combos is when you go with a combo floor, you knock out the wood and you go back with aluminum. That's some of your weight savings to up your payload. One thing we do standard is we do a coil package. And what that is extra cross members between the main beams that are welded in. We call them stub seals. And that's a 5-foot section in the middle of the floor, and that goes from the kingpin to the center line of the rear axle, and then we split that difference. And that's with peak of the camber, and it's also to strengthen the floor. And the reason is through the aluminum floor, when you put a coil in that area, you know, most coils are running 55,000 pounds, it'll crush that area. So that's just added value and added strength. Another Dorsey standard on all our combo trailers is chain ties. We offer 14 pairs standard. You can plus or minus. They also have a 5,200 pound load limit wheel. So you can pull 5,200 pounds to each chain tie. And for the guys that's hauling coils, machinery, any guy that doesn't want to use straps. Another hidden value that every Dorsey combo comes with is our knee braces. It's a formed steel knee brace welded to the main beams back to the cross member. What it does, it gives you more lifespan for your side rail, more support. If you didn't have it, if you load it on the outside from the main beams, all your support will be pressing down on your cross members. This right here puts added strength and supports the side rail through heavy loads. All Dorsey models, whether it's a flatbed all the way down to a lowboy, all carry a tremendous amount of warranty. And what that does is gives the owner the lack of downtime, because we all know downtime equals dollars not being made. And when you buy a Dorsey, we want you to operate it, stay on the road, and do what you bought it to do. So it comes standard with a lifetime main beam warranty. It comes with Sherwin-Williams paint, 3-year warranty. Brody lights and wiring with sealed harnesses. All LED, a 7-year warranty. HXL5 Henderson wheel end, grease with better wheel seals, 5-year warranty. So why not buy a Dorsey? For more information, check the description below.